no, that wasn't me. Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. So I wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight the way I did before.